The Line Blaster 8500 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is the ultimate climate solution for any season, offering powerful, flexible cooling for rooms up to 450 square feet. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this air conditioner in the description below at the latest price. Whether you're battling a summer heat wave or just need fresh air circulation in your studio or office, this 3-in-1 unit delivers unmatched performance, combining cooling, dehumidifying, and fan functionality into one sleek, compact appliance. This unit is powered by an 8500 BTU engine, built to cool spaces quickly and efficiently with the help of dual-turbo airflow technology. It can drop room temperatures to a crisp 61 degrees Fahrenheit in as little as 8 to 15 minutes, with an adjustable temperature range that goes up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The result is rapid relief from the heat and a noticeable improvement in indoor air quality. With 3 operating modes, cooling, dry, and fan, you can adapt your environment based on weather, humidity, or personal comfort preferences. The dehumidifier function is especially valuable in muggy climates, maintaining optimal air moisture levels without the need for a separate device. One of the standout features of the Line Blaster is its thoughtful design for everyday use. It includes a whisper-quiet sleep mode that keeps noise levels below 52 decibels, allowing for uninterrupted rest. Its 24-hour timer and eco mode enable smart, scheduled cooling that conserves energy while maintaining comfort. Ideal for bedrooms or shared spaces, this air conditioner intelligently adjusts fan speed and temperature throughout the night for cost-efficient, personalized climate control. Portability and ease of installation make this unit even more appealing. With 4 360-degree swivel wheels and side handles, you can move it from room to room with zero hassle. The included installation kit and adjustable exhaust hose are designed to fit most windows, requiring no permanent modifications. Plus, setup takes just minutes. Maintenance is simplified through its auto-evaporative system, which recycles most condensate and only requires minimal drainage in high humidity settings. A washable, tool-free filter adds to the long-term ease of use, keeping your unit in top shape with little effort. The Line Blaster 8500 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is more than just a cooling unit, it's a complete air management solution built for flexibility, comfort, and modern living. Whether it's your home, studio, or workspace, enjoy cooler, cleaner, and quieter air without the complexity of traditional systems.